Burros, this is the update for this week. Sell your Burro cards and you can win several cash prizes. Starts September 25th. Last day to hand out any cards would be Wednesday, October 19th. Last day all money is turned in is Thursday, October 10th. The Burro card prizes, everyone sells 10 cards and you get a free Burro shirt. Overall, top sellers, minimum of 40 cards sold for top 2 prizes. Top seller will receive $250 in cash. Second place will get $150. Third and fourth will get $75. Fifth and sixth will get $50.
We've had a great football season so far. The next home game is on a Tuesday on October 1st against SAC here at Bengal Field. 7th grade starts at 4 and 8th grade starts at 6. Our last game of the season is a home game, also on a Tuesday, but it is on October 15th against Pullman here at Bengal Field. 7th grade will also start at 4 and 8th grade starts at 6.
So Burro's volleyball season is currently going great, with 8th grade varsity just beating SAC. Their next game is Monday, October 7th at 4:30 versus All Saints and at Jennifer. It's a home game. And the next JV game is Monday, September 30th versus Lincoln Middle School at home at 4:15.
Remember, Burros, most clubs start October 1st and are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So come check those out.
Have a good weekend, Burros. Hello, Burros. Let's have a little update about the Burro Bucks. We got the 6th, the 7th, and 8th. 7th is looking so good so far. 6th are catching up. Are the 8th grade teachers even passing these out? The first class to fill up their Burro bucket gets an old class prize. The class prize has yet to be determined. If you have a suggestion, tell the ASB officers or tell Miss Amanda. Keep filling up those buckets, Burros.